It snowed this weekend here, and I got inspired to make some snowflakes for my windows. The great thing about these is you can leave them up for a whole season to enjoy. Print out some snowflake shapes that you like and cut them each out. Place your snowflake under a piece of wax paper. Use glittery fabric paint and squeeze it out onto the contact paper, tracing the snowflake underneath. Let it dry for 24 hours. Carefully peel it off the wax and you'll have a window cling. Coat your wax paper with some non-stick cooking spray. This will make sure the glue won't stick to the paper. This will prevent your hot glue from sticking to the wax paper. Squeeze your hot glue onto the wax paper, tracing the design of the snowflake, and let it cool completely. Carefully peel your snowflake off the wax paper and then wash it to get the cooking spray off. Paint Sparkle Mod Podge onto your snowflake. Sprinkle with glitter, or I used fake snow on mine, and let it dry completely. You'll want to coat the wax paper with a little dish soap. This is an alternative to the cooking spray. I bought glitter glue sticks from the Dollar Tree. I squeezed it out onto the contact paper, tracing the snowflake design. Let it cool completely, peel off, and wash off the dish soap. Tie some fishing line onto your snowflakes and they're ready to be hung. I hope this inspires you to make some snowflakes of your own. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Hey YouTubers, thanks for watching. To never miss another Hometalk video, click here to subscribe. And to be inspired for your next DIY project, click here.